Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So first I start out with a 14-inch wreath and I select the deco mesh that I want to use to decorate or cover up my wreath form. And then I measure it out to the size that I like and then cut it all out and tie it all around the entire wreath until it's fully covered. And I decided to use yarn that I had on hand because I ran out of pipe cleaners, but feel free to use pipe cleaners if you have them or if you prefer them. I did end up with using 3 deco mesh rolls, and one of them was brighter than the other even though it was the exact same pattern, but that's all they had left at my Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and just saved the brighter one for last to add it to my wreath form. And then I decided to embellish it with green florals. Dollar Tree doesn't exactly have a very large selection of florals for St. Patrick's Day, but they do have 2 different shades of carnations as well as clover leaf stems, and the carnation florals even come with sparkling coins or clovers. I go ahead and arrange the florals on my wreath to embellish my wreath and decide to do a pattern of alternating the different shades of carnations, as well as putting all the clovers around in between all the different carnations as well. I didn't have enough carnations to finish off the pattern, but it didn't matter because I was planning on embellishing it with a cute little St. Patrick's Day leprechaun gnome anyways. I go ahead and hot glue all the pieces down onto my wreath, and then I also add a clover to the top of my St. Patrick's Day leprechaun gnome because I didn't like the plastic at the top, and I decided to double layer it with the cloves because I felt that the single clove was a little too flimsy for my taste. And I also go ahead and glue on 2 shamrocks, one on either side of the gnome as well, and that is the finished wreath. Next, we are now making a matching DIY Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day centerpiece. So using Dollar Tree's cylindrical floral foam, I go ahead and grab the remaining pieces of my carnations and clovers, and I pull everything off their stems and try to make some kind of arrangement that I'll be happy with. And I tend to lean towards doing a pattern of alternating colors or styles within leaves and or florals, so that's what I end up doing here. And once I decided on my pattern, I start going ahead and gluing them in. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I won't remove the plastic off of the floral foam because I already know that hot glue is going to melt it anyways, and I also don't even like the way it feels on my skin when I touch it. So rather than taking it off and adding it to the trash, I go ahead and just leave it on and hot glue everything directly onto it. And there's no issue in trying to get the floral stems in there because you can poke right through it very easily. And I go ahead and do my best to try to cover up all of the floral foam so it's not visible. I was going to go ahead and try to incorporate the deco mesh into this floral arrangement, but I couldn't figure out a way to do that where it wouldn't look awkward. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I go ahead and just leave it out and consider the floral arrangement complete. So here's my favorite part where I swap out the floral arrangements, swapping out the Valentine's one for the St. Patrick's Day one. I just put them in this DIY Dollar Tree photo frame box that I made. Then I further embellish it with dropping in the glitter shamrocks and coins. And here is the final result. Let me know in the comments below which of these projects is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.